Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain the derivation for to find the distance between 2 points. To find the distance between 2 points, two given coordinate points. We should find the distance between those 2 points by using the coordinate system. So that means the derivation is find the distance between the points A x1 y1, B x2 y2. 2 points are there, A x1 y1 one point, B x2 y2 another point. We should find out the distance between these 2 points. We should find out the distance between these 2 points. Now, from the first quadrant we are deriving. This is origin O. Origin is always the coordinates of origin is always 0 0. Suppose 2 points there, here 1 point, here 1 point. This is A x1 y1 point. I will write here A x1 y1 point, B x2 y2 point. We want to calculate the distance between these 2 points. So the distance between A to B. The distance between what? The straight line joining those 2 points is nothing but the distance between these 2 points, or otherwise length of AB. Length of AB. Now for this we should derive a formula. That is the find the distance. Because this is variables, this distance is used as formula for later. Okay. Now to find the distances, what I told, from that point horizontal lines, vertical lines you draw. From this point vertically draw a line. That means from this point draw a perpendicular onto this x axis. This is x axis, this is y axis. Onto x axis draw a perpendicular, that is m1. From point B also draw a perpendicular, that is m2. So from A again horizontally draw a perpendicular onto y axis, that is n1. Again the same way draw a perpendicular onto y axis n2. Understood now? Because to measure the coordinates we should draw the horizontal and vertical lines. From this point one vertical line, that means one perpendicular to onto x axis, one perpendicular onto y axis. From this point also one perpendicular onto x axis, one perpendicular onto y axis to find the distances. Now you see this one belongs to what? This is y length. So here this is becomes y1. See y distance. This is becomes x1. The point is here, this distance here, this is x1. So in the same way here too, see this point is here, the distance from here to here y2. Y distance is y2. This point from this is x2. We know this. Okay, like this we know. Now given A x1 y1, B x2 y2 points given. We are constructed perpendiculars, that we should write. So from A and B draw, from A and B both, from A and B draw perpendiculars. Draw perpendiculars. Which perpendiculars? AM1 comma BM2 BM2 onto which axis? X axis. Okay, already we drew that diagram. Next, perpendiculars on y axis. So same way from again A and B draw perpendiculars perpendiculars. Here what? an1 comma bn2. These are the perpendiculars. Now suggestions you should write. Here am1, the am1 is same as on1. am1 is equal to, okay, am1 is equal to on1. This and this same parallel lines, distance between parallel lines, that is equal to, we know also what is that, y1. Okay, next like that for this bm2, this bm2 only same as on2, that is we know y2, that is y2. Next one horizontals we will write. See this, you name it, this is A, this is C, you write here C. Now this is A, this point, an1, this an1 only equal to om1, that is equal to this distance x1. In the same way bm2, this bm2 is equal to what? om2. bn2 is equal to om2, that is only x2. Okay, like that we know. Now from the figure ABC, we know this is 90 degrees. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees, because always the x-axis, y-axis intersect 90 degrees. The angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90 degrees only. So this is 90 degrees we know. So therefore in this triangle ABC, already this is 90 degrees, means that is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, APT, already this I told in trigonometric classes. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse, that is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now what we want? This AB length we want, so that's why this only. Now individually you write for AC you see AC what? AC, see here AC, this AC only equal to m1 m2, you see AC is equal to parallelly there m1 m2. This distance is equal to this distance minus the distance, that is equal to what? om2 minus this distance we want. This distance we want means from O to this minus O to this, that is om2 minus om1, om2 minus om1, that is that we know om2 we know x2 minus om1 we know x1. Okay, now in the same way this is AC. Now BC, for BC you write, now BC is equal to n1 and 2. So BC is equal to n1 and 2. This n1 and 2, this length is equal to on2, from on2 you minus on1, from on2 you subtract on1, you will get this distance BC, that BC only is this one. Okay, that's why on2 is y2 minus on1 is y1. Now substitute these values in this, therefore AB square is equal to, AB is what? AB square is equal to AC square, first you write that BC square, this is equal to AC means x2 minus x1, square is there, you write square, plus BC y2 minus y1, square is there, you write. but we want only length AB only we want, so this square come to this side root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of. So this is the formula to find the distance between 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay. Now by using this formula we can find the length of any 2 points coordinates given. If coordinates given, length of 2 points coordinates given, length we can calculate 2 points coordinates given means. Otherwise distance between 2 points also, same meaning, same result. Okay. I hope everyone understood this lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.